going to fly around after I become a bird. Gonna, 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 gonna. You should also become an army bird. But the good thing about army bird, it's beautiful and you can poop in the sky. It's beautiful even if it's ugly. Finally, it can be cute, but it can only be erotic.